Hi guys, this is Sujin from tlivef.com. Today we're gonna learn about 10 basic Korean vowels. Are you ready? Let's go! So before we start, let's do a quick preview. So Korean alphabet has consonants and vowels. There are 14 basic consonants and 5 tense consonants, and 10 basic vowels and 11 combination vowels. In this video, we're gonna learn about 10 basic vowels. For this video, I want to invite you to practice with me pronouncing each letter out loud, like over-exaggerating. This way, you'll remember each letter better. Just a quick note, each letter on the same slide, the shape of your mouth are very similar. The main differences of two sounds are your tongue movements and lower jaw movements. Okay, let's start. First, ya. Your mouth is wide open. Ya, ya, ya. Okay, second, yo. Your mouth is a little narrower than and ya. So, yo, yo. Okay, o and yo. Your lips are same as pronouncing O, alphabet O in English. O, yo, o, yo. You. It's similar to yo, but your lips are a little bit more sticking outward and lower jaw is slightly lifted. You. And last, e. Your lips are flattened. So, e, Good job. Let's review. Ya, yo, yo, you, e. Okay, one more time. Ya, yo, yo, you, e. Okay, let's practice. How do you read this one? O, ya, yo, you. Good job. So for Korean, you have to have consonants before putting vowels. So for the vowels that doesn't have specific consonant sound, we put yung for a placeholder. So that meaning we can make couple words out of 10 basic vowels we just learned today. Let's see what they are. Can you read this? U, you, 우유. 우유 means milk in Korean. What about this one? 아, 이, 아이, 아이. 아이 means child. What about this one? 여, 우, 여우. 여우 is fox. Wow, look at that, you already learned a couple Korean vocabs already. I highly recommend you to watch this over and over again until you get this down 200%. And don't forget to say out loud or even more, over-exaggerating each time when you're practicing. Practice makes it perfect. And next video, we're gonna learn about the basic 14 consonants. 그럼 다음에 봐요. 안녕.